People think pilots fear turbulence. They don't. Turbulence is expected. It's mapped, forecasted, and trained for. What actually worries pilots is something quieter: complacency. When a flight feels too routine, that's when mistakes sneak in. Missed callouts, skipped checks, assumptions. That's why pilots follow checklists even after thousands of flights. Not because they forget, but because humans get comfortable. In aviation, comfort doesn't keep you safe. Discipline does.